Well, hey everybody, Matt here, and I would very, very rarely ever call something the worst checkbox ever. But I have to tell you that this one ranks up there pretty high on my list of worst checkboxes ever that exist inside of Photoshop. So let me set this up. When we have the Move tool selected, there's a little checkbox up here in the top left corner called Auto Select. Let me show you what Auto Select does. I've set this up with a pretty simple document, and if you were to think, if you're doing anything maybe where you're copying the sky and doing something, separating the sky and maybe making edits there on a layer, maybe making edits on a foreground, or maybe, copying a layer and sharpening something specifically, think of all the layers you can build up over here. Well, the way this auto select checkbox works is, let's say, for example, I want to move the background. I want to click on this background layer, which targets it, and then move it over, and then put another photo over here that I do maybe a smooth blend with to do something creative. Well, with auto select on, if I go and if I click and I just miss the background and I click on this black bar, look at what happens. It has auto selected that layer and moved it for me, okay? And then again, if along those same lines of thinking, if I happen to go over here and I click on that logo and just miss that black bar, it has auto-selected that logo there. And I know at a first glance, it might actually seem like this is a good thing, but trust me, this is as simple as a document as you can get. If you do things that a photographer would do, again, maybe we have a layer that we're working on the sky, maybe we have a layer where we're working on the foreground, and Maybe that layer where we're working on the sky is graduated. Maybe it's not all, and we click and we move things. I'm telling you, it's a big pain in the butt. And you know what's really crazy is it's on by default. And I get the reason why I might sound kind of passionate about this is because I get so many questions from people that can't understand why when they click on a photo somewhere that it's not they've selected this layer, and when they use the Move tool, this layer moves. They don't understand why. So this is why. Pointing to your attention that it's there. You may love it, and that's perfectly okay. No need to leave a comment that says how much you love it. Perfectly okay if you love it. But if you're one of those people that has been frustrated by this, all you have to do is turn it off. And now Photoshop will work at least the way I think it should work, which is you click on a layer. That's the layer that you targeted. That's the layer that gets moved no matter where you click on the image. Even though I clicked over that black bar, no matter where, that is the only layer that I've targeted in the layers panel that is going to get moved. And finally, just wanted to take one quick moment to pay the bills and point you to mattk.com/preset-system. This is my photography preset system. It is my new release in the last couple of months here. And it's a preset system that actually works for both Lightroom and Photoshop. It's got a bunch of different preset packs that are inside of it. You can always find out more over here on the website, and they are on sale right now. So swing by and check it out.